Okay, so you're going to take your paper, make sure it is landscape, and you're going to fold it in half. Make sure you smooth those fold lines. And then from here, you're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half again. Make sure you're smoothing those fold lines. If they don't get too smooth, just using your finger, you can use a marker. You can take the end of it, smooth the edges. So then from here, I'm going to unfold it, just one fold. So it's back to just the halves. And I'm going to fold it in half, but now I'm folding it the opposite way. And again, I'm trying to smooth out those folds. And then I'm going to unfold it again. So then I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to make sure that the folded side is on the bottom and the part that opens is at the top. So I'm going to then get my handy dandy scissors, and I'm going to cut along this middle fold, but only halfway. If it goes a little bit past the halfway fold, that's okay, but try not to cut it too far. So I'm taking it, I'm cutting. Okay, so then from here, I'm going to unfold it. So I have it portrait way, so where it goes up and down, and my hole is in the middle. So from here, I'm going to take it, turn it landscape again, and then fold it in half where this hole is now at the top. So then from here, well, I'm going to smooth out the edges because they're driving me crazy, the folds. And then I'm going to make sure they fold. This is an extra step, just to make it easier for when I fold it down a little more. But from here, I'm going to push together, push these sides together, so the top looks like a little square, little cube, and then I'm going to push, push, push until they touch. So then from here, I'm pushing these sides together, and then I'm going to take this extra one and wrap it around. So then I'm going to make sure they all lay flat, and boom, you have a little mini booklet that sticks together. You don't have to use any staples or glue